Hey guys, I'm Daniella.
And I'm Pasha.
And you might recognize us from TV shows like Dancing with the Stars, So You Think You Can Dance, and World of Dance.
Daniella is an Emmy-nominated choreographer.
And we are the creators of WeddingDance.net,
world's leading wedding dance online platform.
Our courses are meant for couples with absolutely no dance experience.
All of them are pre-recorded, so you can watch and rewatch them unlimited amount of time at any time, day or night, no matter which time zone you're in.
We are proud owners of the world's largest wedding dance library with hundreds of courses to choose from.
And variety of packages that will suit any couple with absolutely any needs.
Thousands of couples from all over the world already used our platform, and we know why.
It's because they get a chance to practice their first dance in the comfort of their home, with no one watching or judging. Absolutely stress-free environment. And it is very flexible schedule-wise because you can watch your lessons at any time and go at your own pace. You also don't need to drag your shy fiance to a crowded dance studio, saving a lot of time on commute as well.
You can read our clients' testimonials on our site to see what their experience was like learning their first dance online, and even watch the videos of their first dances from their actual weddings. You can also collect a complimentary first dance checklist. We strongly recommend doing this 10-minute read that will save you time, money, and unnecessary headache. It is jam-packed with first dance tips you should definitely keep in mind for a stress-free first dance. We also offer a complimentary First Dance Secrets webinar, where we share our 15 years of experience in exactly 15 minutes. To register, simply fill out the form and you can start watching our pre-recorded webinar instantly. We talk about everything from the perfect song length to shoe hacks for a smooth first dance. You can also head to our frequently asked questions section and find the answers you're looking for there. But if you need any extra assistance, do not hesitate to talk to us directly by sending us a message into our chat.
We are Pasha and Daniella, and this is WeddingDance.net.